Hello, CCBC librarian here with instructions on how to find and use ebooks at CCBC. I'm looking for a general introduction on my topic. I can find ebooks through Smart Search, but the best place to search is by clicking on the Books and eBooks box here. Now we can search for both books and ebooks at the same time in the main search box, but since I know I only want ebooks and I don't plan on coming to campus, I can click on the eBooks link. The next step is to type in your keyword. Today I'm looking for books about video games. Here we see our list of results and we can see that they are all ebooks. What I'm really looking for is information on video game design. And here is one called Beyond Game Design. After clicking on the title where I can see some more information about the book, I'll click on the View This eBook link.
When off campus, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your CCBC email and password.
If I scroll down a bit, I can see the table of contents. But to view the book, I'll click on the PDF link. The great thing about ebooks is that you can search within the contents. If you click on the Search Within button, you can then type in what you're looking for. I'm looking for information on how you make the characters in video games. By clicking on Relevancy, it will then show me all of the pages where the word characters is found. So I can use that to find the parts that are most interesting to me and talk about how to make characters in video games. I can also cite, email, and download the ebook here. As always, if you have any questions, please ask a librarian in person, on the phone, or through email.